Let's dive into a deliciously refreshing avocado smoothie paired with creamy coconut ice cream. Start by blending 1 ripe avocado with a cup of coconut milk, a splash of lime juice, and a tablespoon of honey for that perfect balance of sweetness and tang. The avocado gives it a silky texture, while the coconut milk adds a tropical twist. Now, for the coconut ice cream, mix 1 can of coconut cream with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip it up until it's smooth, then freeze it for a few hours. Once everything is ready, pour that vibrant green smoothie into a glass. Scoop a generous dollop of coconut ice cream on top, and maybe even sprinkle some toasted coconut flakes for that extra crunch. It's the ultimate refreshment, bursting with flavor and perfect for any sunny day. Enjoy every sip and scoop.